How to set out of Office on Microsoft Teams mobile. Hi guys, welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So let's say you don't want to receive any call from your team. So what you have to do is to simply click on your profile button on the top left corner. Once you are here, there are a couple of options that you have to set to do not disturb. So first of all, click on the available on the top and simply go for this do not disturb, or you can also go with this be right back or away, or you can simply click on this appear offline. So for now we are going for the do not disturb. Once you are done, the second step is you have to go for this set status message. Once you have clicked on that, you have to simply type the message do not disturb or something like that, and you can also enable this show when people message me. When you turn this on, whenever a person message you, this message will pop up on their screen. So once you are done, the bottom option is clear after this week, or you can also select your time, 1 hour, 4 hour, or today. So it depends on you. So once you are done, click on the tick button on the top right and you are good to go. So that's how basically you can set out of Office on Microsoft Teams mobile.